Hello guys, in today's video we are going to talk about how to choose the streaming TV devices in this year. This is the step-by-step process and we made this buying guide based on quality, durability, price, features and more. We've included the best products for every type of consumer. Be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Features to look for in streaming TV devices. 1. Wi-Fi or wired. On the whole, most devices these days offer Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth as well, an option to use via Ethernet, but that's not a given, so please check. If you don't have a strong home Wi-Fi signal and you want to avoid annoying buffering that will slow down and spoil your viewing experience, then make sure you select a device that has a wired internet connection from your router for the best stability and speed. 2. Apps. The vast majority of streaming devices we reviewed require you to download at least certain apps to be able to access some of the services, pretty much as you already do with your smartphone. However, if there isn't an app for that TV service or it's temporarily unavailable or unable to be upgraded, you might consider instead casting from your mobile to the streaming player so that you can still watch all your favorite shows. To do that, you'll need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV streaming device, and use Google Chromecast. 3.4K Ultra HD. If you already have one of the latest 4K or Ultra HD TVs, then you'll also want to enjoy your streaming services at the same high quality. Currently, Apple TV, Amazon Prime Video as well as Netflix all over a wide range of movies and shows in full 4K. 4K video in itself also comes in a variety of formats, with Dolby Vision and HDR10 being among the most popular. Check that your streaming device supports all of these. Another popular choice to create that home cinematic experience is Dolby Atmos, which is a rich and clear, immersive surround sound audio system. Again, if you want to enjoy the very best viewing experience, this is something to look out for. 4. Gaming. If you are a fan of gaming on your big screen at home, then you'll want to pick out a streaming device that supports that activity. The great news is that many do support gaming through downloadable apps. Note that some of the remote controls can be a little fiddly, though, so you might still want to use in conjunction with your traditional games controller, connected via Bluetooth, so as not to miss out on that fully immersive gaming experience.